Good morning! It is another beautiful day in Bulgaria. Look at this sunshine, and it is hot. And we are in the city of Veliko Tarnovo, which I am going to take you around and explore today on this beautiful day. So, let's head down into the town and have a look around at the old capital of the Second Kingdom of Bulgaria. In the centre of the town, in between two busy streets, you will find this beautiful small garden area with a statue of the Mother of Bulgaria in the middle of it. Now this is to commemorate and show appreciation for the Bulgarian soldiers that died in the various wars that Bulgaria has been unfortunately geographically located in the middle of some big wars. And this is to commemorate them, and it's called the Mother of Bulgaria, and it shows a woman kneeling down in appreciation on top of the statue. Let me give you a quick whiz round. The Asen monument, which is right behind me here, was set up in 1985, I think, to celebrate 700 years of the rebellion of the brothers Asen, I think Asen and Paul, who rebelled against the Byzantine Empire and overthrew it, and then set up the Second Bulgarian Empire. Now the statue with the four horsemen, it's not the four horsemen of the apocalypse, they're meant to represent the four greatest kings of that Bulgarian Empire in the 13th and 14th century that led Bulgaria to an amazing time of prosperity and knowledge and rule over a lot of Europe. And there they have this huge sword which is meant to represent the brothers, apparently, when they're fed up with the Byzantine rule, decided to start the rebellion, got their sword, planted it in the ground, apparently here but maybe somewhere where it doesn't matter, and said that this is going to be the centre of Bulgaria. And there started the rebellion, and then Veliko Tarnovo, which is a city we're exploring today, became the capital of Bulgaria for a couple of hundred of years. And here is their monument. Made it to Veliko Street, which is Partizan Street, where you can see people are making great animals here. All sorts of things down this little cobble street with antiques, pottery, silverware. A lot of people actually making the stuff, drawing, as well as souvenirs. It's a sort of revival of the old trade that used to be here, combined with the tourism, and it's quite a pleasant wander down, a great place to pick up some unusual and possibly handmade souvenirs. So it's good to have a wander down, have a look at all the interesting things, and get an ice cream. where's ice? Oh, pottery. It's some really nice stuff. It's really quite pretty and, as I say, very unique. So if you're looking for souvenirs or something for the house, there's some really excellent things to pick up here. And as I said, be very unique. It's just a little street. You just wander down. It's in quite a bit of shade, so it's quite nice in the heat, which is good because it's a hot day. And if you want to buy a little wooden animal, including really nice giraffes. You make all these?
Yes.
By hand?
With my son.
Are you and your son?
Right here. This is a whistle spoon.
A whistle spoon. There you go. Okay, to go up to the fort and the church you have to get a ticket, which you control on the bridge, which you buy just before you get to the bridge. So the bridge is right there. Ticket control is right, or tickets, buying your ticket is just here. Now just outside the city, I mean like a 10-15 minute walk, you come to the Tsarevets Fortress. Now this is a big fortress which is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Bulgaria, would you believe? Which doesn't say a lot for the tourism in Bulgaria yet, but it's coming. It was built to defend the Second Bulgarian Empire and rule this area, because this was the capital in the 13th and 14th century. It finally fell to the Ottoman Empire. Now let's show you around these amazing ruins.